Hi friends, it's Jessie here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. For today's video, I have my weekly grocery haul. I am planning a big meal prepping session, and so I bought the things I needed to make that happen, as well as some household items I needed, and I thought I'd share them with you. So, without further ado, let's get into everything I picked up for just about $200 at Walmart. Starting down here with cat litter. That was a big expense, but we needed that, so we grabbed that. Usually we get our cat litter from Amazon, but we recently added a second litter box. We now have a litter robot and just a regular litter box. Our older cat, Sirius, has a harder time getting in and out of the litter robot, so we switched to something a little bit more comfortable for him, and that Tidy Cat's litter is the litter we like for that box. So that explains that. Bananas. I saw these cinnamon caramel sweet apples. I've never tried these before. I don't know what they are called. Wonder if it tells me. Autumn Glory apples. I have no idea if they're going to be any good, but they intrigued me, so I grabbed those. Got some sharp cheddar cheese to cut into cubes for snacks. And some butter. Robbie requested parsley for a recipe that he wants to make this week, so I grabbed that for him. And he also requested this key lime pie Chobani yogurt. He got some of this last week. It's his favorite right now, so I picked him up some more of that. My husband is going hunting this weekend, and he got some hot dogs to take with him, and he needed buns, so I grabbed that. Another request from Robbie. If you're unfamiliar, Robbie's my oldest son who lives with us. He is 21. So he often puts some little requests in whenever I place my grocery orders, and Jell-O cups was one of his requests. We were out of all of our sandwich bags, so I grabbed snack bags, the quart-size storage bags, and the gallon-size storage bags. I did not realize quite how big this box is, but we will be stocked up for quite a while here. I got a big pack of ground turkey. I'm going to cook all of this up to meal prep some turkey burrito bowls for the week. And also I grabbed a ton of turkey breakfast sausage so that I can meal prep some breakfast burritos. That's going to be like breakfast and lunch for me and my kiddos for the week. We are each on a different diet. Austin, my 16-year-old, is focused on getting protein for his bulking. Robbie's trying to lose a few pounds. I'm trying to lose a few pounds. And we all thought it would be beneficial just to have some stuff on hand for, making a healthier choice when we're busy. So we're going to do that. This green leaf lettuce is for those burrito bowls. Also for the burrito bowls, I needed some light sour cream, so I grabbed that. The squeezable kind is so convenient. And I also grabbed the thick and chunky salsa for that. We were just about out of olive oil. That's what we do most of our cooking with, so I grabbed another bottle of that. And I grabbed some honey to sweeten up some plain Greek yogurt for some yogurt parfaits that we're going to have this week. This 4-pack of the Starbucks coffee drinks my husband requested to take with him hunting this weekend, so picked that up for him. The white rice cups I thought would be handy to have with our burrito bowls. I also have some cauliflower rice in the freezer so we can have our choice. Here's all the stuff I bought for the breakfast burritos. I bought 3 of these large burrito-sized tortillas so I can make up the breakfast burritos and freeze them. And then I got a huge thing of eggs here, 60 fresh eggs. This will be for a combination of things, our breakfast burritos, also some hard-boiled eggs that I want to make for snacks, and some egg salad. So all of that prep work will be happening this weekend, hopefully. Robbie's drink of choice lately has been the Arnold Palmer's, so I grabbed him a case of that. I needed some more coffee creamer. This is the Zero Sugar Italian Sweet Cream. It's my all-time favorite, so I picked up that. We were all out of paper towels, and I don't think I realized that this was only like 2 rolls when I threw it in my cart, but that'll have to get us through the week. 2 of these Tyson chicken breast sandwiches. These are a great thing for Austin to have when he needs a quick and easy meal for lunch. They are 24 grams of protein per sandwich, so he really likes those. And if I'm not mistaken, the last thing I have here are some chewy granola bars, just quick, easy, grab and go snacks. So that is it. Like I said, mostly planning on doing a bunch of meal prep, which is what this grocery haul was going to help me do. So it's not a ton of stuff here, but plenty to get us through the week. If you like this video, will you please give it a thumbs up? Don't forget to subscribe. I post new grocery hauls every week on my channel, as well as budgeting and lifestyle content. I would love to have you come back, and I'll see you next time.